my channel. So I hope that you guys have seen the mess I've made here, and right now I'm just tying my hair back so that I can clean this mess up. So today in this video I was thinking, I had an idea that I'm gonna clean my dresser slash my vanity, like everything, my makeup, skincare, everything. I'm gonna sort it out, and I've made this mess all over here, and now I'm gonna clean it and record everything and you guys can enjoy it. So the plan is to clean my makeup, just get rid of what's expired, what I don't use anymore and stuff. So that is the plan for now, and you guys won't even imagine the mess I have right here because you guys are looking at me like this, and the actual mess is here. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, there's my laptop and you guys can see what I'm filming. So guys, I've made this mess over here. I just wanted to show you the mess I have made over here. Like, those are what I was eating right now. So yep, don't come for me please. So yeah, and we're gonna clean everything now. This is my dresser that we're gonna clean. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, firstly I'm gonna set all of this aside. Like, this is my perfume which I've never used, but I'm still not gonna throw it. I'm gonna use it. These are all of my perfumes which I rarely wear. I'm not into perfumes that much. I just wear one perfume always, like always, which is this one from I don't know where it was from, but it's this very cute little pink bottle, and I absolutely love this. This is my favorite one, and I absolutely love this. These are all of my nail paints. This is another perfume which is from Lumania Bella, and I absolutely love it, but haven't used it. Yay! Okay, so my brushes, my color, some random stuff. Like, if you think that there's a product in here, no, there's jewelry. So this is most of the stuff which goes on my dresser, not in my dresser. So firstly we're gonna clean the inside, and then we're gonna move on to this stuff, this pile of stuff. So guys, this is my first drawer, this is second, and this is the third one. We're gonna move on to this one first, and this has all the makeup and skincare stuff. So let me just quickly show you the inside, the before. So inside I have these two boxes which are completely messy. My daily makeup kit which I use on an everyday basis, this another makeup kit, and all the, like, I have so much stuff which needs to be cleared out. Like right here, this, it's expired. Why do I even have this? No idea. So we're gonna clean it now. So guys, let's start. So number one, I have this makeup kit which I use on everyday basis, and it's completely not okay. So firstly I'm gonna take everything out, and then I'm gonna clean it, get rid of it, and we'll see what we're supposed to do. Why I have this. This is a 3G dongle which I bought from Intex like years back. I don't even know why I have this. So that's why you should clean, because you find stuff which you don't need, and sometimes you find stuff which you need. So if you need any motivation, go clean. So guys, right now I'm surrounded with a lot of stuff. So I just got all the stuff out from the first drawer, and now I'm gonna see what I need, what I don't need, and what I need to throw away, like which is what's expired. So this palette is absolutely expired. I don't need it. This is expired. I don't need it. I don't know why I keep expired things with myself. This is leaving. Expired. Highlighter which I found it broken. It's completely broken. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's completely broken. Like, it's completely broken. It's not in a good condition, but so yeah, I'm not gonna keep this because this is all broken and stuff. So this seriously has to go. So all of the stuff that I need, I'm keeping it here, and the stuff I don't need, I'm gonna throw away is there. So yeah, this is a multi-masking kit which I got free from Nykaa because I purchased a lot from them. So I'm gonna keep it, definitely not gonna throw it away. These are some of the face masks that I'm gonna keep, obviously. So this is a nail kit, mirror nail kit. I've showed it in one of my Nykaa hauls. Yeah, link below if you wanna see my Nykaa haul. I'm gonna keep it definitely. I have this essential oil from Nykaa. It's the turmeric essential oil, which looks like kind of like this. Definitely gonna keep my foundation. Obviously I need my foundation. Although I'm not wearing makeup right now because I was not feeling like it. And who wears makeup while cleaning? Like seriously, I don't care, whatever. I'm keeping my primer as well. This is my lash glue, my concealer, my lipstick which is almost empty. But I'm still keeping it because I cannot buy a new one in the lockdown. I have to apply it. There's a little bit left, so I'm gonna keep it. Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wonder what my lover. You give me feels when you do. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. I have these swim shades, swim glasses. Because once I joined swimming classes and then I left it because it was so early. It was at 6 a.m. and then I left it. Out, and I'm not gonna throw the cardboard boxes because that would be really bad for the environment. So let me just show you what I'm keeping and what not. So this is what I'm keeping. This is all what I'm keeping, and this is all which I'm throwing away, which is not gonna be here anymore. So first up, this nail paint container kind of thing is going in my nail paint collection. You guys can check it out. It will be linked in the card or maybe in the description box below. So definitely don't forget to check it out. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever want. Guys, look at the drawer now. Like how cool. Like I have so much space and it looks very good now. And now I think I'm gonna move on to the next drawer. So now I'm gonna move on to the second drawer. I still have a lot of mess here, but I will clean it at last because I have a lot of stuff which is gonna go on top. So it's okay. We're not gonna worry about that and we're gonna move on to the second drawer. So the drawer is open now and let me show you guys the mess. Look at this stuff. This drawer is more of my jewelry and my sunglasses drawer. Let's start. If you guys want to see my sunglasses collection, then it will be linked down below. You guys can check it out. I'm gonna take all of the things out. That's how we work. No one can do it like you. Told you, a lot of perfumes. And this one, I kid you not, this one is so cute. This is what the perfume looks like. This is so pretty and this opens up like so, and absolutely love this. So I think I'm gonna organize sunglasses first and then my jewelry. Or should I take out everything? I think I'm gonna take out everything. No one can do it like you. Now I'm gonna put everything back in nicely and I'll time lapse it for you so that you guys don't have to get bored. I have so many sunglasses. Do not forget to check out my sunglasses collection video. Now I'm gonna put my jewelry back in. Comment down below if you guys want to see a jewelry collection video. I would love to film it for you guys. I think I'm done with this one as well. Like look at that. It's way better than before. Like way better than before. So now I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what I want to keep from this. Like how many of these are okay and how many are expired. My scrub which I was looking for so long. So guys, finally this is what everything looks like. It's way better than it was before. Everything looks so good now. Nice and clean. Just way good. That is what I'm gonna throw away because that's expired. That was way too much cleaning. I have cleaned the first drawer, the second drawer and the top of it. I haven't touched the third one because that has some random stuff which I didn't want it to touch, so it's gonna remain like that. And I have a lot of stuff to throw away which I hope gets recycled. I'm not sure if that's gonna happen, but I'm not gonna keep all of that. And yeah, everything just looks nice and sort of clean. And at this point I would love to end this video right here. I hope it's a pretty long video. I have been filming for like 3 or 4 hours now. And if you guys like this video, then don't forget to smash that like button down below and subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a new video and you'll be the first one to watch it. And if you comment on my video within 30 minutes of when I post it, I'm going to reply to your comments and I would love to chat with you guys. So that is it. Also comment down below your ideas for my next videos, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys!